Samoa's natural waters are special. Something goes in there, comes out different. Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature in a bottle.
Salama Samoa, I'm Jack Ty Laban. For any competition, I'm all about speed, skill, culture, and of course, my Texas. Wa'ualia.
O lawin siwa e au wala i se te unga tupe mo le lumanai manuia. E mole puipuinga tau tupe o lo soifua, mai mawhai o na taunu no atu, mo so se mahua anga i te whina ngalo iai.
Samoa Life, le insiua mo tangata nuu o Samoa.
We're here to give the opportunity to people for full-time work in New Zealand as a skilled worker, so trades, carpenter, mechanic, or anyone who's successful with the quota.
A feel my nei loyal Federal Pacific Finance no so mana onga tau tupe ba serving.
Everybody say amen. Amen. Going to laugh. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government of Samoa and the Samoa organization of Canoe, Outrigger Canoe Association, soccer, I'd like to extend a warm thanks and gratitude to the SPRIP, specifically the Pacific Ocean Litter Project for the, what I understand is a donation to help facilitate the aim of this the games, which is to have a green games by your support of having providing in support of the single plastic use program, as I understand, is donating water to be for the games and also water bottles. By doing this, it allows all the participants and those around the place that will be here for the event to not use plastic bottles, but to use the aluminum can bottles, and also use having drink coolers around that they will use. This is a greater extension of the importance of the ocean. As we all know, the ocean is the recipient of all the land-based pollution, which includes plastic and all other things, but it also the biggest dumping ground of all plastic. And as we've seen everywhere, those that are most affected are marine life. You've seen turtles and all the other fish, the corals. These are all affected by single-use plastic. But it also, from a tourism standpoint, as we strive to promote sustainable tourism, the litter associated with single-use plastic affects our beaches, but it also affects our corals and the growth of our corals. So this support also provides, as we have more tourists, and specifically for this event, as a outrigger canoe paddling. Ocean is important to it. So having the event, having the support of this program provides a good platform as well for our people and our visitors to know that there is support in eliminating single-use plastic and all other litter that we have. I also want to acknowledge the Samoa Outrigger Canoe Association for providing the opportunity to bring close to 3,000 visitors to our shores for this event, and we want to utilize this opportunity to not only showcase the ability of Samoa to host big events like this, but also to promote tourism. And having said that, one of my personal aims for this event is, as I said, Green Games, is to work with SOCA and with SPRIP, as well as the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources and Samoa Tourism Authority, to promote as a zero carbon neutral event. And by this, we want to work at ensuring that all visitors who will be coming with the opportunity to plant trees as part of their carbon offset for all the travel that they come here. Not only will it provide another good platform for us in promoting the impacts of climate change, but also ensuring that our replanting program around Samoa is expanded. And with these, I want to again extend our sincere appreciation to SPRIP and specifically the POLP for this event, and we look forward to many events that we continue to work together with SPRIP. Being based in Samoa, we acknowledge all the events and the support that SPRIP is providing to support our efforts as a country, as a region, and we look forward to many events like this in the future. And also a well wish for not only the organizing team for the IVF World Distance Championship, but also to the Samoa Paddlers.
And our next speaker is one of my colleagues from SPRIP. He's I can say he's a warrior in the environmental community. He's been with the environment organization like UNED, and he's also a father of the environment community in the Pacific. And he's been helping out a lot but not only Samoa, but the rest of the Pacific. I want to talk anyone. I just want to pass the mic to you, Mr. Director General, Mr. Zephaniah.
Thank you, Seth. I think maybe because I knew you from when you were a student at USP, you're making me sound low. But the Honorable Minister for Natural Resources and Environment, Sunsulu Sebetsuska, the chairperson of the Samoa Outrigger Canoe Association, and all those involved with the organization of the event and the members of the press. Honored to be able to support the event through our sponsorship of the greening of the games through the Pacific Ocean Litter project. SPRIP will be providing close to $37,000 to support the NRD. host plastic-free games or competition. The effort builds on what we did in 2019 together with MNRE and the government of Samoa and partners to have host the first Green Pacific Games. That effort was outstanding in that all of the community was involved, all of government was involved, and especially so because Samoa stepped in at the last minute. Solomon Islands, who host the games this year, was inspired by what they saw here. And during those games, the Prime Minister of Solomon Islands asked us to help them to make this year's Pacific Games the Green Games as well. And I'm glad to say that through the Pacific Ocean Linter Project and our Pacific Climate Change Center, we are assisting Solomon Islands to do what Samoa did in 2019. So we're glad of the leadership of Samoa in the region in having Green Games. So that continues with having a green competition here. I hope that some of the infrastructure that we will be getting for the Waka competition can remain in the Friendship Park to be used by all those members of the public and our tourists who use the Friendship Park on a daily basis. I also have a bit of a personal connection to this Waka competition. We are hosting one of the teams from Fiji at home. My sister-in-law is part of that team. And I know Tony, our director for waste and pollution, is also looking after some of the teams from Fiji. So while it's an association between governments and between organizations and between associations, it's also a personal association amongst all of us who are involved with the competition. I wish you all well on behalf of SPREP. Thank you for the leadership by the Minister. Especially looking after, I counted 3 of his portfolios just in the one event. Tourism, environment and forestry, and climate change. The 4 of his portfolios under the one event. And it is exactly the kind of integrated and sustainable events that we should be aspiring for in the Pacific. So wishing you well and thanking all of us who are supporting the Green Waka competition. Thank you.
Thank you again, PG. That was a beautiful speech. And we're looking forward to more of the funds from Sprint. There's many of the events that we requested to Sprint. And we hope that Samoa is always the pilots for all the fundings and projects that are happening in Sprint. And the next part of our program is Q&A. And I'll give this time to Sua. We'll get to say a few words and then we'll head to our Q&A for this meeting. Sua, over to you.
Thank you, everybody. President couldn't make it, so I feel like I say a few words on behalf of our association. General Director, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the association, we're very excited to host this event here in Samoa. Most of us paddlers, we pretty much live in the ocean. The ocean is pretty much our home. We're there in the morning, we go to work, and then straight back into the ocean. And by the time we get home, it's just straight to sleep. So we spend a lot of time in the oceans. And with that as well, we're very proud to be able to show that not only hosting this event, we're also looking after our homes, which is our ocean. And we're very thankful to both Government Australia, SPREP, for for their support. It is one of those things similar to Solomon Islands for us. We're thankful to the government of Samoa for leading it and with Spread during the games in 2019. And from there, we also, when we first set up this event, we wanted to have the same thing. So we reached out to Spread, and thank you very much for answering our call to protect our home, protect our islands, and protect our oceans. It is we're not proud of it, but we are one of the main culprits of littering in the oceans. A lot of water sports in the past before. So a lot of single-use plastics out there from us, but we are making a step towards that, and this really helps us as well to use this event to send a message, and not only do we send a message, but to show that we can actually do it as well. So thank you very much for that. Let's thank the government of Samoa for also supporting this event, for us to be able to not only promote our sport, our country, but also support messages like this that are very important to our future, to our home, making sure that it's protected for our children. So, Masai Lama, very much for coming today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.